Hello friends, today we'll see how to access Windows operating system Ultimate without passwords, right? And we'll not use any third-party software, any cracking or hacking device, right? I found this loophole in Windows operating system, so just sharing here with you all guys. Just take care of it and take care of your all important data. And this uh, loophole is around the world. I mean, every user who is using Windows 7, 64-bit or 32-bit, uh, his OS must have this issue. I mean, anyone can access this without password, right? So let's see. We are having two users here. One is standard and another is ultimate. Both are password protected, as I'm showing here. This is ultimate, having a password protection. Let me use the correct password. And after login, I'll show you that it's an administrator account and it's a Windows 7 Ultimate 32-bit operating system. And we want to cross-check. Other account is, what type of account is this? So this is a standard user, right? This account doesn't have admin privileges, right? So this is some data we are having in the system. We will assume this is very confidential data, very important data. We have to, make sure no one can play with our data, right? So we'll log into Ultimate account. It's an admin account. After logging to admin account, we'll see that there is 3 drives, right? That's one is local disk having a Windows operating systems file. Another is document. It's having some important documents of the user, of the admin. It can be of any companies or any institute, any. And the third drive is having some videos. So these videos can be your very personal videos, very important videos of yours. Some users uses one technique of hiding the drives. So when drive is not visible, no one can access your data, right? But this is a pro level of technique, hiding a drive. So you can hide your drive to secure your data, right? You need to go to computer management and then disk management, right? So you can see this is the entertainment volume, and when I will remove this latter, the drive will move away, right? It will disappear. So this is how you can hide your drives. So let me assure you that we'll use one pen drive, and it has no data in it. Let me plug in my pen drive first. This pen drive we will use to copy data. So this pen drive will have, and there's nothing in that. So we'll shut down our PC, and when this window pop up, the Microsoft Corporation, and it's loading Windows file, we need to power off the Windows, right? After that, when we'll start our Windows again, it will show this window that launch startup repair. So we'll select that one only. This is the option when window fails to load due to power failure or anything related to other issue. So window gives this option, I mean, to repair your system if it's having any problem. So it will try to repair our system, and through this process we'll able to access all the drives and all the data which is important, which is really, I mean, uh, the data can be of any government data. It can be any companies and corporations confidential data, right? So when Windows tried to repair your system, it gives you this option, you want to repair or not. So we'll cancel this, and it will attempt to repair, right? And this may take several minutes according to your hardware configuration. So maybe 5 to 7 minutes you can have this screen in front of you. So I'll come back when it will have a new window which we want to have. So this is a window we was expected to arrive, and if we'll go to further option and view problem details, right, and below that if you'll scroll a bit, you'll find this option, right? Click on that and go to file and open, and this is the thing we are talking about. From here you can access all your data, all the data which is encrypted by the password, right, by the user or the administrator of the system, but you can access all the files here. There are plenty of files, documents. These are the important documents, right? We'll assume that it will be important documents, and we'll copy this to external media, right? This is a Windows folder we can copy to from Windows, C drives. We'll copy some of these files, right? We can see each and every file here, and also we'll able to see the entertainment drive, right, which we had hidden in the normal login scenario, right? So it should not be here, but we can also able to see the entertainment drive also, including documents, so we can access all the drives. Okay, so I have plugged in my removable disk here, and let me copy some important data to my external media. So we'll copy some documents first. We'll copy some text document. It can be your highly secured files. These are the modules, and these are the some text files. We'll copy some text files, right? You have to click one by one, send to and to pen drive, right? You can select all the folder, and the folder will copy to your pen drive, but it will take more time. So we are selecting PDF files here. We are copying some Excel files, right? So important documents files, MS Word files. Okay, I'm copying every format files: PDF, Excel, Microsoft Word, right? And I'll copy some videos also, right? So let's copy some video files, some audio files also. These are the MP3 songs. It can be MP3 audios, whatever the data format you can copy, right? These are the video files .mp4 you can copy, right? Please remember the name which I'm copying here, so you can cross check it on the pen drive when I'll put it in the normal Windows mode, right? So let's see what we have copied on our pen drive. But let's me copy some pictures of the users also, some private pictures, right? Some from the ultimate users pictures. We'll copy some very personal photos, and we are able to copy to our pen drives or flash drives, right? It should not happen, it should not be available from the Microsoft, but we are able to do all the things, right? As you can see, all the file formats are on my pen drive. Let me add one more, this one, right, to the pen drive, and let's see it came or not. Yeah, it's there, right? So we have all the data in my pen drive, as you can see. Let's delete some folders files here. So we'll delete the text folder. We'll delete one another file, RU analytical, right? And we are able to delete, right? as I told you, we can delete, we can modify, we can anything we want, right? So we have done all the things. Let's restart our system and see what we'll have, right? Let me log in through Ultimate as an admin, but before that we'll cross check that password is still working. Means we have not cracked, we have not restored any password without with any command prompt, without with any we had not used any, I mean, softwares. So password is still working and user will not know, I mean, user will never know that his system is accessed by someone else or not. Yeah, so as you can see here, everything is working fine. We can see all the drives which are visible, right? We can see that we had deleted one or text folder. It's not here and also not in the recycle bin. So I mean it's deleted permanently, right? And another file, Excel file, is also not here. Are you unlisticle? Which we delete through that option. It will it will be deleted permanently, right? So it's quite serious. Let me check what we have on my pen drive here. So these are the file formats. Now we can see exactly what we have copied, right? Which format we have copied, right? So we are having all the files on my pen drive. Okay, so these are the files, pics and other media, right? So this is what we can do, but we should not do because it's not legal to access anybody's system without his or her permission. But I made this video just to show you that there is a loophole in Windows OS. Okay, and I have talked to Windows Microsoft's 4 times, but they replied me that they don't know this kind of thing. I mean, their OS has. No one can access like this, I mean, or no one can use their OS like this. Right? So here is the proof. So please be aware of all these things and keep your data safe and secure. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.